Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ensign Shark Tank Edition. Each ensign will compete with their mini friend. The losing ensign will push off their mini into a bowl of hungry sharks.
Whoa, hold on. Did someone just say sharks?
No, that can't be. They wouldn't drop us in sharks.
Hey, Percy, you're gonna win this thing, right? There's no way I want to go into sharks.
First up, Percy versus Emily.
No, Percy, there's still time. No, Percy, There's 3 sharks in here. Someone help me. Get me out of here. They're getting closer to me. Oh, no. Come and get me. Ah!
Round 1, Thomas versus Steven.
Oh yeah, that's right, I hung on. Wait a minute, no! I'm hoping you guys already ate, right?
In her first competition on the Choo-Choo channel, it's Caitlin. Round 1, Caitlin versus Henry. Uh-oh, do-over.
Oh, I made it. Caitlin, use your brakes! Ah! Train engines are not fish food. They're not healthy for sharks to eat. Trust me. No, don't eat me.
Finishing up round 1, Timothy versus Charlie.
Nice, Sharky. You know, I've always liked sharks. I just prefer to look at them through glass, not be in the glass bowl with them. Has anyone seen Harold? This would be a good time for him to come rescue me, you know.
Semifinals, Emily versus Thomas.
How did this happen to me? I'm surrounded by sharks. I'm painted neon. I look like a fishing lure for crying out loud. I wish I could swim away, but I'm a train engine. I belong on tracks, not in water.
Semifinals, Henry versus Charlie.
Hey guys, I was thinking maybe I could tell you a joke and you'd leave me alone. Why did the shark cross the bay? To get to the other tide! Whew, I think it worked.
Final round, Henry versus Thomas. Who will win it all?
Come on, Thomas, let's do this. You know, I'm a very useful engine. They need me on the island of Sodor. You wouldn't want to hurt a useful engine, would you? Ah!
Henry is the winner! If you don't want to fall into a shark bowl, make sure to click subscribe.